Welcome to the class. In this class, we shall solve some problems regarding logarithms in exercise 1.5 of 10th class mathematics. So third problem, evaluate the following logarithms in terms of x and y if it is given x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. First problem, logarithm of 15 base 2. We have to write logarithm of 15 in terms of x and y such that x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. So to write this one, we have to prime factorize 15. Then what is the prime factors of 15? We know that 3 5s are 15. Therefore, logarithm of 15 can be written as 3 into 5 base 2. And this can be written as logarithm of a into b, logarithm of x into y. We know that logarithm of x into y is equal to logarithm of x base 2, logarithm of 3 base 2 plus logarithm of 5 base 2. Since logarithm of x into y base a can be written as logarithm of x base a plus logarithm of y base a. Now this can be written as, I will write here, the conclusion of this problem. Logarithm of 3 base 2 is equal to, is given already here, that is x plus logarithm of y base 2 is y. This is the solution of this problem, x and y. X plus y is the solution of this problem. Let us solve the second problem. Logarithm of 7.5 base 2. Write in terms of x and y if x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. So again we have to write the prime factorization of 7.5. So how to write? Logarithm of 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10. After decimal there is one digit, so write 1 here and 1 0, write 1 0 here and base 2, write it as this base 2. Now we can simplify this fraction. It is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 15 by 2. So logarithm of 15 by 2 base 2. Here logarithm of 15 by 2 can be written as logarithm of 15 base 2 minus logarithm of 2 base 2. Here which formula? This is quotient rule. Logarithm of x by y can base a can be written as logarithm of x base a minus logarithm of y base a. So here logarithm of 15 minus logarithm of 2. Now logarithm of 15 can be written as logarithm of 3 into 5 base 2 because 3 5 is 15 minus logarithm of 2 base 2. Now logarithm of 3 into 5, product rule here, logarithm of 3 base 2 plus logarithm of 5 base 2 minus logarithm of 2 base 2. Now let us substitute the values of these numbers. Logarithm of 3 base 2 is equal to, here from the given conditions, this is x and this is y. and we know the value of logarithm of 2 base 2, the value is 1. Logarithm of any number to the same base is 1. This is the answer of solution of the given problem. Now let us solve one more problem. Logarithm of 6750 base 2. The question is here, write in terms of, evaluate in the terms of x and y, where x is equal to logarithm of 3 base 2 and y is equal to logarithm of 5 base 2. Now let us prime factorize this. 6750 it is divisible by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 17, 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25, 0, and 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, 0, 5 5 ja 25, 25 4 ja 20. Now 2 table, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. Now 3 table, 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9. So logarithm of 6750 can be written as, this can be written as according to its prime factorization, 1 2 3, 5 multiplied 3 times into 2 multiplied 1 time into 3 multiplied 3 times. So 5 cube into 2 power 1 into 3 power 3. Here is logarithm of product of three numbers. This can be written as logarithm of the sum of the numbers. So logarithm of 5 cube base 2 plus logarithm of 2 here base 2 plus logarithm of 3 cube base 2. The base 2 is to be written to the every number base 2. Now you use here the third rule, power rule. You have to write this 3 as the coefficient of this number. 3 into logarithm of 5 base 2. Here logarithm of 2 base 2 is equal to 1 because logarithm of a number to the same base is 1. Now write these 3 as coefficient of the logarithm according to the power rule. 3 log 3 base 2. Now substitute the values. Here 3 into logarithm of 5 base 2. Logarithm of 5 here, logarithm of 5 base 2 is equal to y. So substitute y in the place of logarithm of 5 base 2. This is equal to y plus 1. Here 3 logarithm of 3 base 2 is x, right here x. Now let us rewrite this total expression. 3x plus 3y plus 1. In this way we can express a logarithm of number in x and y. Okay.